Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Prestige City, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Project developed by Prestige Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And as you can check out, we are here on the actual site of the Prestige City, and this is the main road and the land parcel is just behind me. About the marketing office is just behind over here on the right hand side. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here to connect you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. The Prestige City, the mixed-use development township project, developed in total 64 acres of land parcel, which is divided into three parts. First is the commercial one, where they are coming up with the Forum Mall over here, and the JW Marriott over this side. And then the second part is the residential villa part, and the third one is the residential towers. Let's now focus upon the residential towers, which has been constructed on total 31 acres of land parcel with 13 towers. Each tower of 3 basement ground plus 41 floors, having exclusive 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK plus maid room premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Samshabad main road in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Samshabad main road. And this road over this side will connect you towards Samshabad, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Aramghar signal. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So the Forum Mall is inside the community itself, and upcoming High Court is just 2 minutes away beside the Prestige City, and you can connect to ORR exit number 16 and 17 in just 10 minutes. Upcoming metro station is 5 minutes away. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 15 minutes from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 60 plus world-class amenities, where this is 1,20,000 square feet of clubhouse, 3 different types of swimming pool, jacuzzi, indoor and outdoor game facility. This is the lake prominent area consisting multiple sitting and walking track. Here's the kids play area, the grand garden area and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK plus maid's room premium residencies, where 2.5 BHK is starting from 1534 to 1548 square feet, where 3 BHK is starting from 1631 to 2245 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2433 square feet, 4 BHK plus maid room is 3348 to 3431 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Prestige City, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.